In Shiva Sutra, they say, do not leave anything pending. Do not leave everything pending. There is when a person dies, they say, Chautha karo. Chautha means the last rites finish and he goes. And Shiva says, in the fourth sutra, do the Chautha of yours during your living time. Nothing is left pending. Nothing is worrying you. So you must live as if you are not living. And you reach to the level, from Shunya, you reach to the level of whole infinity. You are living as infinite. So this is very important. Every day you must ask yourself how useful you are, how illuminated you are. And that will happen when all the 5 bodies you are developing. And all these 5 bodies will develop only when what you have learned in the sadhana, you are going to practice every day. So every day when you are spending 1 hour in the morning and 1 hour in the evening is not much the kind of dividends which you are going to receive. It's going to make your life happier, and it is going to make everybody love you. It is not you who are loved. It is the qualities which you inculcate. It is the illumination which you inculcate. That is being loved. And that is what everybody is looking at. Not at the physical body or the mass of 6 feet by how many feet, I don't know. Something. No way. So your understanding should be absolute. Now, it is for like if you will see anybody who is dependent in the society, only they suffer. Am I right or wrong? Let it be the girl is married to another family. Now, you will find lesser number of percentage of boys complaining that he is not been looked after very well. Because there is a major percentage of boys, those who are not dependent. Am I not saying anything wrong? Whatever wrong or right, this is a Shiva Yoga philosophy. So I have to teach you the Shiva Yoga philosophy. So if the girls having that attitude of dependency, that somebody is going to look after you, you all Shiva Yogis must look after you and must look after everyone around you. You are useful. And if you sit in a corner and say, look after me, तो भगवान की मूर्ति भी पड़ी रह जाती है, तो कुछ दिन माला डालने भूल जाते हैं उसके ऊपर. Make yourself useful. Grow every day from all the 5 bodies level. You must grow. Every one of you must set a goal. What you want to achieve, what you want to become. Because with the Shiva Yoga sadhana, you are going to be empowered to materialize. But if you do not know what you have to materialize, you will not be able to materialize anything. So the sadhana, and then after that is the analysis, what I achieved in the sadhana. How is it helping? Am I really making use of it or not? Am I really improving? Am I really growing, developing? At the physical level, at the mental level, at the emotional level, at the spiritual level, at the karmic level. Every day, in every way, you must become better and better.